Between the two of us, I am definitely the gardener. But today I want to let my wife show you everything that's growing in the garden according to her. So let's see how she does.
Hi everybody, welcome to my garden. We're gonna start over here. This is a popcorn plant, and I say popcorn because apparently it smells like butter. I don't think it does, but that's what he said. It's a hazard because I can't get through the stairs. Rest my case. Right here we have dead plants. I don't know what these were, but behind it we got some rosemary that was made for my hair. Yet to get any of that. Over here we have what I would define habaneros that quite aren't habaneroing, kind of dying. And then over here we have some serranos. I obviously know what that is because I am Mexican. And serranos is what I use on a day-to-day basis in my ingredients. Over here looks like a plant that is very ill. However, we do have what I assume is a cucumber, a singular cucumber. Here, I remember Aaron saying that this is some sort of rare tomato. I'm gonna call it a purple tomato. She's here. She's alive still. Over here. What was that? I don't know. Things started coming out of it. Okay. Over here we have habaneros, I assume. I don't know what kind of habaneros, but they kind of look orangey. There's only two, so there's that. Above it apparently is another thing that has not quite grown, so not relevant. Over here we have more tomatoes. I'm gonna assume it's sun gold tomatoes. Over here, I'm gonna assume these are some kind of, honestly, I don't know. I'm just triggered by the spider mites right here because that's what was in my plants indoor. And I have a funny feeling Aaron was the one that brought it in, so.
False.
Over here we have, okay, I can see it because the bottom is dead. Sun golds are right here. The intention was pure for chile de árbol. It's not here anymore. She didn't make it. Over here we have, apparently we have more purple tomato. Here's the thing, we don't cook purple tomatoes. So the fact that we have 3 different purple tomatoes does not make sense to me. We have some cucamelons. Cucamelons. I only know this because some girl online asked if anyone knew what it was called, and I had recently asked Aaron, or else I would just say that. Over here we have purple basil that I know we use very often, and then we have normal basil right here. This looks like some kind of eggplant, but I don't know if it's eggplant, but it sure looks like an eggplant. Over here we have what I call chaos. This is just too much for me, but I do know that at some point we had some strawberries and that was good. Oh, actually, I think this is basil. Hell yeah.
Got attacked by a carpenter bee. We're all good.
This is a marigold. That I know.
Nasturtium.
Close enough. Over here we have what were the garlic and onions, which I'm now eating in my belly. Come on, hurry. We have more habaneros that are not habaneroing. Don't know why. Paprika, which is supposed to do I don't know what. Over here, I would assume it's some sort of pepper. I see a little green dot, which means a jalapeno. Over here, we have some tomatoes. See? Tomato. This is, I don't know, what is this?
Pomegranate.
Okay, well the pomegranate's not pomegranating. Over here we have some jalapenos, and jalapenos, which we need a lot of jalapenos in this household. Here we have a banana plant. I only know because I used to buy these a lot for my indoor gardens and they just kept dying. Here we have, ooh, what was it called again? It was like some sort of fruit, dragon fruit. This is another dragon fruit. Over here we have squash. I only know this because I just grabbed some squash to make dinner. Squash. Is the other side squash too? This is corn, a singular corn. Over here we have a wide variety of herbs, some kind of medicinal herb. Same over here, some herbs. However, this is hoja de santa that comes from my people. Still trying to figure out how to eat it. Come on. Over here we have, I assume this is lavender?
Basil. Lavender.
Oh, well, can't wait to use her. Here we have, thank God for labels, hibiscus. Here, I only know this because I asked earlier and Aaron said, I don't know. So it's some sort of chili that we're gonna figure out if it's spicy or not. Apparently he's doing a video, but kind of a waste when I could truly use the pepper for some kind of thing if it's spicy. Here, we got some chile arbos. No success there. We got some success here. This is a habanero. I'm gonna assume it's an orange habanero. Here we have greenery. You could cut it and make a beautiful bouquet of some sort. Am I right?
Marigold.
Okay, what's the point of doing so many marigolds? This is marigold too. This is a beautiful plant that we had to lay her to rest. Same with this one. I love gardening. Here is a bell pepper. I assume it's an orange bell pepper. Right here we have what Aaron said is gonna be a loofah. I'll believe it when I see it. The loofah is loofahing. Over here we have more. Oh, look at that, guys. A chile de árbol. Oh, look at chile de árbol. Maybe I can use some. Okay, the loofah is making its way over here. Over here we have, I assume this was going to be some kind of chili based on the green. Wow, I'm a gardener. Here we have, are you kidding me? Is this another, what's it called? For what? For who? For why? And then over here we have a dead lavender as well. Over here we have a lot of green stuff that Aaron poured. Over here we have a dog that's very warm and would really like to go inside. More loofahs that Aaron decided to just expand. My whole home will eventually be a giant loofah. Here we have some pretty plants. The thing is, it's a lot of greenery, but we just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers. And it just keeps going. I actually don't know if that's the same thing, is it?
Strawberries.
And we have some more of those flowers Aaron did. All right here. This, I don't know what it is, but it does look like green onion. Wow, I'm smart. And then here we have, oh, it says it right there. It's an elderberry. Okay, I think I did good. Thank you all for coming to my garden. I hope you come back soon. Like and subscribe.